here to do shopping. It's so loud in here. You guys are not even hearing me. I am currently looking for gift boxes for complimentary gifts. I need 200 pieces. So, good luck to me. So, I'm in Poundland. I'm going to see if they have it. If they don't, we move with Mr. Lam Lam. And how to Lam Lam is always win or lose. Sorry, excuse me, please. Thank you. So, let's go. That's not what I'm looking for. Lama, you have to behave because there are other people. Come and stay next to me. This is what they have. Don't touch. This is £1.50 each. Stop.
When I showed you and you said I'm up weighing 2 and it wasn't, it's £1. For what? Sellotape. I'll put it in the bag already. Oh. I did wonder what you were talking about.
These ones are £1.50 each. I don't know. Let me ask. Excuse me. So if I'm to order 200 pieces of this, do you have it in stock?
We can't order stock, we only get what we're given. I've got another box of crisp, that size boxes up the top. I've got 24 there. I can check out the back. How many do you need?
200 pieces.
200. I'll have a look.
Alright. Okay, thank you.
Let me see you go, la la la, Bugawa. Let me see. Let me see you go, la la la. Let me see you go, la la la, Bugawa. Hey, let me electricity. Let me dance for me now. Let me see you go, lo lo lo. Let me see you go, lo lo lo, Bugawa. That's my favorite song. Let me see you go, la la la. Let me see you go, la la la, Bugawa. Hey, Bugawa. Hey, you are standing.
Mom, let me clap.
Let me see you go.
Mom, I want to go to the house.
When she does this, and that's like this when she's so still.
I beg, let her drink her milk. Leave her, she wants to drink her milk.
This is how you make amala in the microwave.
No, this is how you make the brown eba.
Yeah, brown eba, like Lama would say.
So this is the paste. I've made the paste. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes times 6. No, 2 minutes times 3. So it's 6 minutes. So it's going in the microwave now. You see it in the first. So this is after the first 2 minutes. I'm just going to turn it and put it back. It's not cooked at all. But it's getting there. You can see it's getting there. This is a few minutes later.
Hey, that's what I'm asking, because it's brown.
I need both hands to do it. I'll be back.
Yes. Who went to report at the police
This
station?
is the outcome
To the police station together.
of the amala.
2 times. When?
3 times.
3 times.
Yes.
We've been there 3 times.
Microwave amala in 6 minutes.
So that's just what caused the fight. That was
This is how I'm eating my microwave amala with ewedu and red sauce.
Already.
Let's adore his mighty name because he is good, he's great. Our help in Hallelujah. Excellent God, we bow before
concerning their children, as they are standing in the gap for somebody, as they are standing in the gap for their life, the enemy will not put their life short. As they celebrate this day, they will celebrate many more. And as many as are marking anniversary this month, they are not today. I command in the name of Jesus, receive life, receive life, receive life. You will testify.
Why is your leg like that?
In the land of the living, and so shall it be.
Cheeky.
Because you have come out, you will testify.